Do you ever feel like your voice has no place in the world? If the answer is yes, let me tell my stories through music. Since I can remember, I have lived in a world of silence, a world where emotions are kept deep in the heart, waiting to be heard, a voice in a world that often denies to listen. This is my story, a story of fight, so please listen to me, know me, and understand me. Sometimes I felt that my existence was too much for people, that loving me was a challenge, not a gift, that I had to constantly prove that I deserved love, when in reality, I just wanted to feel safe, wanted, no strings attached. I have loved hard, even when I was not loved equally.
I'm so tired. Often I'm annoyed that I am not listened to, but I guess that keeps me from biting my finger. Kid, you're scared, I'm scared too. Don't hurry. You're not being listened to, me too. Don't worry. I'm tired of being less helped. Where are you? Where are you? My silence is hard to fake. Tell me, is anyone there to listen? He doesn't know how to communicate. His mind is in a different place. Would everyone please listen to a full moment? Don't mess with this and feel.
Curiously, my dreams always know who I am. In them, I see myself clearly. I am in places that give me peace. I am alone, but I don't feel alone. In real life, instead, there are days when everything feels weird, blurry, as if I'm looking at myself from the outside, as if my body is not mine. Sometimes not even that. Sometimes I don't see myself. I just observe. I float. I survive. But even so, I'm still here.
Feeling dumb, I listen to your lies. You said friendship is off limits. Now you only come at night when there's no one around. Now you only hit me when I'm alone. Fingers tapping on Why can't you let me go? You just want the pour that made me fall apart. You don't want my heart.
It was not easy. It hurt to trust people who were only there for the version of me that suited them. I gave myself wholeheartedly, without reservation, and more than once, I came out broken. I was promised love and ended up feeling like an experiment, a burden, a mistake. I tried to fit in. I tried to be enough. I even lost myself trying to make someone happy who never really saw me. I was used. I was lied to. I was left waiting. And that damage isn't easily erased. But it also taught me to not let the pain take away the purest part of me, my ability to love.
Left without you, I know it's real, hun, and I know you're tired. But baby, I want you.
I still believe in the light, because there are things that bring it back to me. I have gone through times when I thought there was nothing left, that everything I felt was too much, that life hurt more than it was worth, that no matter how hard I tried, I always felt out of place. But there is one thing that never quite went away: hope.
Catch me on a southern night, standing in a ledge of light, fears still knocking at my doors. I'm in the way of me, side I see it up. Why you me feel like I was? You be telling me this is how it always goes. I did from the west ways that I start getting inside too. Don't I finally know? Cause I know I'm up to speed, I'm up to good, yeah, I'm up to speed, I know.
Sometimes it comes in the form of a hug, a song, a sincere look. Sometimes it comes with 4 legs and a heart purer than that of many humans. My dog, for example. He doesn't speak, but he understands me better than most. He doesn't judge. He doesn't expect me to be someone different. He just is. He accompanies me when I feel invisible. And that reminds me that there is true love, no strings attached, that there are reasons to go on. I've also found hope in good people who have reached out without asking for anything in return, and in me.
Tell me I'm doing me, this is how it always goes. From the voice we think, I take it in.